All right, so we've seen two absolute cracker potato and cheese dishes. The stud siblings and Alana Sapwell with their blue cheese little number, bringing vibrancy and saltiness to the dish. I thought I'd try one of my favourites, Kipfler potatoes, Parmigiano Reggiano, malt vinegar, and Marcel chicken stock. So first up, we've got some Kipfler potatoes here. Beautiful baby potatoes. We're going to pop them in a pan, drizzle a touch of olive oil, nice and hot, a decent knob of butter. Then we're going to pop our potatoes straight in. So the most important thing for me is that your pan is wide enough to fit in all those potatoes so they become golden and crispy. So we're going to flavour these spuds with a couple of key ingredients. First of all, some garlic. So we've got 3 cloves here. We'll smash them up, back of the knife. And we grab a pinch of salt, wind it on the garlic, and take the side of the knife and just grind it down. Crushing the garlic is just breaking down the cells and just intensifying the flavour and the aroma. We'll set that aside. Next, some hard herbs. We're just going to use some thyme, but obviously sage, bay or rosemary would be fantastic. I'm just going to slice these up. So about a tablespoon will suffice. Have a look at the spuds. All right, so I've got oil and butter that's just bubbling nicely around our potatoes. And we're going to give these sort of 6 to 8 minutes to colour up nicely before we add our herbs and garlic. And what I've done is I've turned them all over. So the cut side is facing down. As you can see, it's just colouring up. At this point now, I'm going to pop in our garlic and thyme. Give it a shake. And now the all-important malt vinegar. So I'll pour this straight in. And it may look like a lot, but it's going to cook down and the potatoes are going to absorb all that beautiful acidic flavour. So we'll hear that sizzle away. So just give that about a minute's cooking. Drop down the heat a touch. And then we're going to finish it with the Marcel chicken stock. So stock just to cover the potatoes. And then finally, just a little pinch of salt flakes. Now we're going to cook this now for about 20 minutes. So it's going to reduce down and the potatoes are going to absorb all the flavours from the stock, the garlic, the thyme, and that all-important malt vinegar. So they've had about 20 minutes now, and as you can see, the potatoes are cooked nicely. You can smell the concentration of flavours from that vinegar. And this really tastes about it's like salt and vinegar chips as a kid. It's something that's really achievable at home. No need for oven, no need for frying, just this is a legit one-pot wonder. So for me, this evokes sort of memories of being a kid stood outside a chip shop, eating soggy fish and chips with loads of salt and malt vinegar. So next we'll take our Parmesan. We're just going to sprinkle this all over our spuds. And what this will do is it will sort of melt over and season the potato itself. And as you can see, as it hits the pan, it's going to bubble away and it's going to crispen up. So now I'm just going to turn the heat off, set him aside and just let him cool down. That cheese is going to come together, firm up, it'll be nice and crispy around the edge. All right, grab yourself a big bowl. And for me, it's nice to have a little dip. So here I have a bit of mayonnaise, the old classic QP mayonnaise on the side. Just the whole sort of chippies and mayo vibe. And that's an awesome sort of Sunday afternoon snack. Sat around with the family, just dipping our salt and vinegar chippies into some mayonnaise. There's no denying that is one flavoursome snack. Potatoes, salt and vinegar, all together by that Parmigiano Reggiano and the depth of flavour from the Marcel chicken stock. Now, if you don't mind,